The bumper has left the chat. Well, oh, and here we are, look at it, the MK1 RS Turbo. Sat here 20 years plus. Let's have a look. As you can see, the brakes are red rusty solid. Let's have a look under this arch here. Not bad under there. There's a little bit of rot there on the bottom of the A-pillar. A little bit on the edge of the scuttle there. Now the owner has said he would consider selling this. He knows what they're worth. He's not going to give it away. But if you're interested, by all means leave a message in the comments. I can put you in touch with him. Let's have a little look under the bonnet. What's left of it. I'd say the bonnet's a little rusty. Not bad though under here. Let's check the battery tray, they always used to go there. Yeah, there is signs of rust, but it's not bad. K&M filter. Dump valve fitted as well, if you remember those back in the day. We can't start this today. It's not bad though under there. There's a hole in the wing there. What do you think of that? Okay, let's have a little look inside. Look at those Recaros. Not in bad shape neither. Bolsters are good. Oh, we've got a bit of a garden growing in the near side footwell. Look at that RS steering wheel there. Oof. See how many miles she's done. Not sure if you can see that, I'll just zoom in there. 63,867. Turbo boost gauge fitted. 5-speed in manual. Look at that, slide and tilt sunroof. Black headlining. Let's have a look at these rear seats. Okay, the seats are in good shape. The seats are not bad. She's let a bit of water in somewhere. She's a bit wet in the rear footwell there. Oh, she needs a little bit of work on the sills there, as you can see. Still got the parcel shelf. Can't get to the rear properly, guys, because it's pinned up against the wall. Thanks for watching, hope you've enjoyed the video.